Hi friends, how are you? Well, this is Puerto Vallarta right now, September 19th, 2022. After the big earthquake that we felt uh, at 1 p.m. here in Puerto Vallarta. It's happened on Michoacan and very close to Colima. We are very close to Colima, like 4 hours away from here to the south. And right now there is some affectation. I'm gonna give you more information about the condos has affectation. Well, that at least we know. Maybe some information is not like given to all the public for obviously reason. They don't want to know what's happened with the buildings. But if you want to rent on a building after this earthquake, better ask what's going on, if there's suffering some damage during this earthquake. But before, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, activate all the notifications, get the latest news here in Puerto Vallarta or Nuevo Nayarit, and remember, follow me on my social network. There is more content over there. Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, there is more over there. And if you want to support my work, please enjoy as a sponsor to have this news right away, okay? Thank you very much for your support.
El temblor en Puerto Vallarta. Esta es la barda que dividía el preescolar, jardín de niños, con la secundaria. Estuvo bastante feo. Esta es la secundaria donde laboro. Vean cómo quedó.
Well, that's what's happened. The damage here in Puerto Vallarta. Mostly of the damage was located on, or are located on Marina Vallarta. Marriott hotels or resort suffer some damage in this big wall. Portofino or Tres Mares, something like that. There's another building on Marina suffer damage, and one school. Well, only the wall that it's the limit in between the high school and the primary school. Just fall the wall, no biggie. It's only just the wall, and nothing died here. Fortunately, we have very luck that nobody get hurt or died in this earthquake here in Puerto Vallarta. Obviously, there is some damage like in El Faro in Marina. And Soho. Soho is like in the North Hotel Zone, very close to the El Cristal or Hilton Resort. It's like very close to the docks, to the where all the cruise ship arrive here in Puerto Vallarta. Very close. The ones that you saw the rooftop, the pool with the water shake it, and it was so scary. Like I experienced this earthquake here in Puerto Vallarta on the ground. I mean, on the street. I was in the first floor on the office working. As you know, I'm working right now on the real estate. I'm like a real estate agent right now, and I was working. And we felt strong at the beginning, and we just evacuated all the team. We had a meeting over there, and everybody go out. After that, we already have on the street. I think it's past just like it was less than 30 seconds or 20 minutes. I don't know. And then we felt the shake, very scary, and I was on the street. That was very scary. Imagine the people on the buildings. Another thing that you must consider to coming to Puerto Vallarta in this month, September, is about the weather, the bad weather that we have here. We have big storm in front of the coast, the Pacific Ocean, Melanie, but it's not a big problem right now. But it's like now dissolved this big storm, and it's gonna spread a lot of clouds, and we're gonna have rains. A lot of people is asking me about the weather in October because they want to come here in October, and it's coming back the cold here to Puerto Vallarta or the nice weather. So what's happening now in the next day? Well, we're gonna have more rains. October is still rainy season. Historically, we have more hurricanes in that month. I suggest sometimes it's better to stay here for the last day of October and the first day of November, because we just like open the high season, and it's the Day of the Dead and the Halloween's together. So it's good combination. It's a lot of culture here in Puerto Vallarta and in all Mexico, and it's great opportunity. October, yes, it's still with some rains, not like in September. It's less raining. It's the month of transition, but we have more hurricanes to come in. This year was completely different after the pandemic situation for the COVID, and it could be different, okay? But my recommendation is at the end of October. If you plan to come here in October, maybe you will find some rains. I hope not. Obviously, it's nature. We can't control that. But it's so very weird this rainy season in Puerto Vallarta. I thought that we're going to have more tourists for the so-called revenge tourism. People don't go outside in 2 years, and now they are going outside everywhere. But it's not happening here in Puerto Vallarta right now. Puerto Vallarta looks so empty. It's not for the earthquake or the bad weather. It's because the low season is only that. We call always September like septiembre, like hungry. Like September is nobody Nobody here. No, we have just a few tourists or people who is now permanent resident or partial resident living here in Puerto Vallarta, and that's it. People that it's now with some condos living retired here, but just a few people, not like in the high season. Okay, well, that's what's happened with this earthquake and this bad weather here in Puerto Vallarta. Remember, if you want to hire me for some activities, I'm available. Just email me, go to my website, and you will find more information. Remember that right now I'm doing little sales of properties, so real estate agent. So if you are looking for some house, please contact me, and I'm gonna help you find your perfect place for retire here in Puerto Vallarta or for invest. Well, that's all for now, my friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. There is a storm coming, so I'm going to leave right now the beach. I don't know, with the alarm of tsunami here in Puerto Vallarta, it seems like the ocean looks okay, but you never know, so I'm gonna go away from here. Could be dangerous, we don't know. Okay, and thank you very much. See you next time. Remember, like the video, share this video. Okay, bye bye.